Hi everyone, these are some Honda CRV 2012 to 2014 headlights finished up today. These were built on OE style headlights, black housing, and retrofitted with 3-inch by LED projectors with the Apollo 3.0 shrouds. This is our standard build for these headlights. Very OEM plus looking, huge improvement in lighting performance over the factory H4. Halogen reflector headlights, so these are obviously custom retrofitted. With the by LED projector, you're going to get much improved lighting performance in both low beam and high beam operation modes. We do include also a plug and play H4 relay harness to take care of all of the wiring, so that the hookup to the new projector is super simple. Very easy to install these, easily do it yourself, or take it to a shop and they'll be able to take care of this for you as well. So if you're interested in getting a upgrade for your headlights on your 2012 to 2014 CRV, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You can order this headlight package directly through the website. Additionally, you can add any customization, cosmetic modifications you may want to the package, such as custom painting, LED modifications such as demonized halos, LED strips. We also offer lens etching, a lot of different options on the website, so make sure you just have all that in your cart before you check out. If you have any further questions about ordering, you can contact us via phone or email. Our contact information is on our website.